Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Let's have a look at the top stories. Shiv Sena flops, Khan hits. My Name is Khan movie released successfully despite Sena's threat. 22 Shiv Sena activists arrested by Goa police. Russian national Konstantin Alexander assaults a Morji local Rohidas Shetgaonkar. Rohidas in critical condition in GMC. Russian national arrested. Rajendra Kerkar says Forest Department was aware about the killing of tiger at Keri before he approached media. Alleges that they remained silent on the issue. Former Ranji cricketers feel nostalgic on the night of recognition. Cricket community rejoices as Goa completes 25 years in Ranji Trophy cricket. And Goa Police join hands with Goa Football Association to revive Goa Police Rolling Cup football. Dempo to clash with Benny 11 in inaugural on Sunday. Now the news in detail. Finally, Shiv Sena flopped, Khan hit. The movie is successfully running houseful all over India in spite of Sena's threat. Police arrested 22 Shiv Senics at Inox Courtyard in Goa on Friday. They tried to protest against My Name is Khan.
Shiv Sena's attempt to disrupt the premiere of Shah Rukh Khan's My Name is Khan was failed as 22 Shiv Senics were rounded up by police. They were arrested under section of 151 of preventive arrest. The Shiv Senics was served a notice 4 days back to take back their protest against the film. But the group led by State President Upendra Gaonkar did not adhere to the notice. On Friday, they marched towards Inox Multiplex shouting anti-film slogans. However, they were stopped at the Inox parking area. They were later arrested after they failed to disperse. Upendra Gaonkar said Shiv Senics will continue their protest till Shah Rukh apologizes for his pro-Pakistani player remarks.
आमची एवढीच मागणी आहे की हे पिक्चर बंद व्हायला पाहिजे. ज्या शाहरुख खानने ज्या पद्धतीने वक्तव्य केलं आहे, जे खेळाडूंना घ्यायचं म्हणून त्यांचा आम्ही निषेध करतो. जोपर्यंत हे पिक्चर बंद होत नाही तोपर्यंत आमचा विरोध असणारच.
Sub-Divisional Police Officer Deo Banaulikar informed that the protesters were arrested under Section 151 of preventive arrest.
Shiv Sena activists, they demonstrated in front of Inox in Panjim. They were served with the notices under section 149 CRPC. In spite of the notices, they came here disobeying the orders or request made to them. As they have not paid any hint to the directions given by the police to disperse, they were arrested as ordered by Executive Magistrate Panjim. Total 22 Shiv Sena activists were taken in custody and they are supposed to be arrested under 151 CRPC.
The Shiv Sena's attempt of stalling the premiere did not stop movie buffs from attending the morning show. Unit manager of Inox said the film will not be stopped from screening.
The company's decision is we are going to screen the movie. Okay, so until the company tells us not to screen the movie, we will go ahead and show the movie. So we are not going to budge from that stance that we are going to close the movie.
Movie buffs gave a thumbs up to the movie and condemned the attempts to stall the premiere.
It's a democratic country and you got a right to put your opinions in front of the people. And what's happening is the concerned party which it's come up with this protest. After the election, they had a very torrid time, and the only way to be in the news is come up with such antics, which I feel is totally regretful.
I think, yeah, these people were really treated very badly at that time, and this is to all these people to get the message that not every Muslim is a terrorist and they should not be treated so badly. Even they have a family, even they have feelings. So I think it's a lovely movie.
Fantastic movie. We enjoyed every minute of it, and it really opens our eyes towards the Muslim community. A lot of our misconceptions are wiped out by looking at these movies. Very good movie. Second, I can see it another time. I have no problem. I'd love to see the movie again. I wasn't scared of anybody.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Anil Sanadi and Sunny Narvekar.
A Russian national, Konstantin Alexander, allegedly assaulted Rohidas Atmaram Shedgaonkar from Morji on Thursday night. The duo got into confrontation and the Russian hit the local. Rohidas collapsed on a stone and suffered head injuries. Rohidas Shedgaonkar is admitted to GMC hospital and is in a critical condition.
On Thursday night, a Russian national allegedly assaulted a local from Morji, Rohidas Shedgaonkar. Rohidas is a taxi driver. Rohidas and few people got into confrontation with the Russian when he was travelling in his vehicle. The quarrel started over high beam light of the vehicle which blinded the taxi driver. The people said that they had asked the Russian to lower the beam of the light, but the Russian hit Rohidas. He fell on a stone suffering serious head injuries. Rohidas was immediately shifted to GMC and is reported to be in a critical condition. Mahesh Shedgaonkar, brother of the victim, filed a complaint at Pedne police station. The Russian nationalist was later arrested and is in police custody under Section 307 of IPC. PI of Pedne, Uttam Rao Desai, informed us that few locals reverted and hit the Russian back. The locals were also arrested under Section 143, 148, 147, 325, 425, 427 and 504 of IPC.
We have registered a case against the foreigner. The investigation is going on of this case. Besides, there is another case registered upon the complaint of the foreigner, wherein he was also assaulted by the other taxi fellows. That also offence is registered and is under investigation.
Rohidas Shedgaonkar at present is in ICU and is in a critical condition. Our reporter at Morji, Vinod Mehtar.
Rajendra Kerkar has told Prudent that Forest Department was aware about the killing of tiger in Keri much before he approached media. Kerkar has alleged that the department did nothing in spite of knowing the fact. He said he cooperated with the department, but sadly they have charged him as an abettor in the case.
Department has charged environmentalist Rajendra Kerkar with abetment to crime in the Keri tiger killing case. The investigation document of Forest Department mentions that Kerkar, who initially exposed the case through a newspaper, did not reveal the source of information and claimed it as a secret source. Rajendra Kerkar is yet to receive any formal information with regards to these charges. Prudent Media met Rajendra Kerkar. He says Forest Department was aware about the case, but they kept quiet. He says he phoned CCF Shashikumar one day before he wrote the article in a newspaper exposing the brutal killing of the striped cat.
रिपोर्ट प्रकाशित जावच्या पयलीं 12 एप्रिला दिसा रातचो फोन करून CCFक ह्या संदर्भात सांगलाले. ओके, 12 एका दिसा उपरांत मागीर मी रिपोर्ट बरयलो आनी रिस्पॉन्स कितें आसलो तेन्ना जेन्ना तुमी फोन केलो तेन्ना? रिस्पॉन्स तेचो ना. आमी त्या प्रकरणाची चौकशी करता, आमी पळयता. ही जी सदांचीच उत्तर आसा ती उत्तरां म्हाका तेंच्यांनी दिल्ली. म्हणजे बेसिकली तुमचें म्हणणें अशें आसा की फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंटाक खबर आसलो हो केरीचो वाघ मेला पूण ते ओगी रावल्ले. हय, ते तांकां खबर आसली पूण ते ओगी रावल्ले कित्याक सगळ्यांकूच अशें आसा की कित्याक लागून कोण लफडी आपल्या फाटल्यान लावन घेतालो अशी सगळ्यांक जाणीव आसा.
Initially, Forest Department said that they came to know about this tiger death through media. Now, this disclosure has once again raised question marks on the department. We tried to contact Chief Conservator of Forest Shashikumar on the issue, but Dr. Kumar denied any appointment to us. Kerkar feels he's been targeted by politicians and Forest Department in this case. On Friday, social activists and environmentalists held a meeting in Panaji to support Rajendra Kerkar. They condemned Forest Department for charging Rajendra Kerkar as an abettor.
म्हाका कायमचें एक दिसत आसा की गोवा इज टर्निंग टू बी अ सोफिस्टिकेटेड लॉलेस स्टेट. आनी गेले 2 वर्सां पासून हांवें एकच सांगत आसा की बिहार सुद्दां परवडलें आमकां, पण गोवा इज अ सोफिस्टिकेटेड लॉलेस स्टेट. आनी कितलींशींच उदाहरणां आमी आजचे वक्ते हांगासर उलयतले ते दाखयतले. राजेंद्र केरकराक वाघाची हत्या जाल्या नंतर बूक करण्याचो प्रयत्न हे त्याचे सामके एकदम जिवंत उदाहरण आसा.
Our senior reporter from Panaji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Ganesh Hotka.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.